In this video, I'm going to teach you how to build a report in Zendesk. In order to do that, you first need to head over to zendesk.com and into this part, proceed to enter right here the work email that you wish to use for your actual Zendesk. From in there, click onto this try free. Now, if you already have an account on Zendesk, proceed to click onto this sign in option that we can see into this part. So since I already have an account, let me just proceed to actually sign in. Now here is my dashboard right here. So what we can do is we just need to access the Explore option or the product tray icon. It's usually found right here into this parts right there. Here we have our reporting, so let's proceed to click onto this right here. Now, as you can see, it's now powered by Explore. Here it is, and you can take a tour of that particular reporting as well. Now, click onto this, take me to Explore. This will open right here this new tab that will take you to the Explore page of your actual site. So just wait for this right here. You need to actually activate it. So from in there, click onto this Activate Explore. Then notify me when Explore is ready. That is because there's actually launching your account first, and it may take some hours depending on the number of tickets in your Zendesk support account. So if you have a lot of tickets, it may take some time for the Explorer to actually finish and to see and generate all of the reports that you have right here. But once you have it, you can actually create a new report on the reports library, and then from there, just choose the appropriate data set such as port, tickets, and then starting reports based on that. With that, you can also start metrics or create metrics by adding them, selecting it what how you want to measure it, and applying it. You can also add attributes and the likes. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.